Assalamualaikum everyone, my name is Raya Sanaira Hossain. I'm from class 2. Today I will talk about healthy habits. What are healthy habits? Healthy habits are the habits that we should have to make us happy, healthy and stay away from illness. Today I have pointed 5 points of healthy habits that are proper sleep, personal hygiene, proper food, drink lots of water and physical exercise. Proper sleep. We need to have proper sleep to have energy all day long and make us strong. B. Personal hygiene. We have to make sure that we are clean every day by taking a shower and brushing our teeth and make sure our nails are clean every day. C. Proper food. We have to have proper food every day. We have to have 3 major meals and 2 light meals a day. We have to have protein, mineral and vitamin, and we have to avoid fat and oil. D. Drink lots of water. We have to have at least 10 glasses of water a day. E. Physical exercise. We have to do physical exercise every day to make us strong and healthy, which will protect us from many diseases. Bye and thank you everyone.